Gurinder ji, I have a news for you. I have got your message that I have to wind up my presentation in 5 minutes, but I assure you that I'll do it in 4 minutes. I think this calls for a and I could see the smile on the faces of my friends, and I think this is the time to wake up. I am Rakesh Sharma. I am the CEO of Prabhatam Group. Let me just give you the brief profile of Prabhatam Group. We are into aviation. We run our choppers to the religious destinations called Badrinath, Kedarnath, and we also provide on charter services. We are into mining. We are into media. I mean, my friend from Star News, mentioned that he is the only one from the media, but we are also. We are running 4 TV channels, out of which 3 are news channels. And we are proud to mention that we are number 1 in Bihar, Jharkhand, that is Sadhana News. And we are, number 1, number 2 in Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh. And we are also into Uttarakhand, Himachal. And soon we will launch in Northeast and Rajasthan. We are into advertising. We are a very old organization in the field of advertising, a fairly large advertising setup we have. We are also into telecom. We erect telecom towers for our friend Airtel, Vodafone, Idea, and many other companies. And we are venturing into a few other ventures. We have a staff strength of 1900 manpower. And we are proud to mention that our chairman has this, instruction to every senior of the organization that we don't ask our employee to leave the organization. This again, I think, calls for a big clap for our organization. We never ask our employees to leave the organization. We have a very, comprehensive system of recruiting the staff. We don't recruit the staff in a session of 5-minute interview or half-an-hour interview. It may, go long as maybe 2-3 days. What our chairman says that you spend time in recruiting the person. And if need be, you ask him to put on, you can put him on test for a few days. But once he joins, you are not permitted to ask him to go. I mean, we have these, bookish words which we have mentioned here. There are many other things which, whenever I go to the management institutes for giving lectures, we talk heavy things. Now I have only 4 minutes to wind up my session. What our chairman says that I expect from you the loyalty, nothing else. And what we professionals expect from the company is the career and the money, which he gives. So, in nutshell, this is how we can summarize the relationship between the employee and the management. There are, big issues which one can address. The other day, Mr. Chauhan was there with our chairman. So, unfortunately, Mr. Chauhan was a little late in meeting my chairman. So my chairman requested Mr. Chauhan that I have to go. And again, we are proud to mention, my chairman mentioned that there is a celebration in my office, the silver jubilee of one of the employee. That vice president completed his 25 years in the organization. So that we celebrated. This is one of the main, agendas in his, job list, that whenever there is any issue of employee, he ensures that he is present in that function. So if an employee can complete 25 years in the organization, you can very well appreciate the way we are taking care of our colleagues in the organization. Thank you. So there are many issues. Few of, like the students, I was just talking for 2 minutes outside. I asked them a question that what kind of organization you would like to join. So few students answered, few refused to answer. They said that it's a difficult question at this stage. But one student mentioned that I would like to join the organization where I could see the career. Then I asked him a question, that how would you see the career? If I am I'm taking your interview, my question is, where would you like to see yourself after 10 years down the line? Then he asked me a question, so what's your designation? I told him my designation is the CEO. So he said, I would like to be in your position after 10 years. So on this, I would like to appreciate the culture which Mr. Chauhan is inculcating in the students, that he could dare to say to the guest that after 10 years, I would like to be in your position. And I'm not just saying for the sake of saying. In the beginning of my career, this was the first question which was asked to me personally, and this was the reply. And I'm telling you the reason behind whatever success I have achieved in my life is loyalty towards the organization, honesty, and the most important, never ever waste your time. Time is such a precious thing that if you waste, it is not going to come back. Be respectful with your juniors, seniors in every relationship of your career. So these are the few, keys of success. If you follow, I assure you, I'm no authority, but still, I followed it. This is that I'm assuring you that there's no reason that you will not achieve the success in your career. I think I have 1 more minute. So if you want me to go, I can quit my session even now. But I think you will miss few of the important things. So if I have the permission to go on for 1 more minute. Thank you. See, whichever organization you go and join, as I have just mentioned, work hard, be honest, be humble, polite, precise, to the point in every issue of your career. Wherever you go, if these things you follow, these things you may find in some books, these things you may not find in some books. But if you follow these things will show you a career. The most important key to the success, which generally the senior professionals mention, achieve whatever you achieve in your life. Never ever try to take the credit yourself. Pass it on to your juniors, or if you don't have a junior in the beginning of the career, pass it on to your senior. It's a very difficult task. It's a very difficult task, but I assure you, if you follow, definitely you're going to achieve the success. And the most important, point which any senior would expect from you, be positive in your life. Be positive in your career. Try and avoid saying no to the things which can, take the organization to heights. So this is all what I was to talk about. The reason I avoided my PPT because it was a little long, one. And second, I never wanted you to go beyond my face. So these are the 2 reasons. And thanks a lot. Thank you very much.